Hi, this is Doug Mountain and welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the steps that you have to take for you to be able to set up your PayPal account with which you can actually make some transactions. So the first thing is that you have to punch in the keywords PayPal setup, and then when you happen to land on this page, what you will do is you simply go by the option create a business account, and then you click sign up for you to get kickstarted. Okay, so now after clicking sign up, you land here. The next thing that you need to do is you punch in all the details: your first name, your last name, the email address with which you'd love to register on PayPal, and then the password. Thereafter you swipe up and then you submit the information. So this is what you're gonna see. What you need to do is you check in that box, make sure there is a tick, then you click agree and create account. So it will load a little bit, and this is what you're gonna see. They'll say activate your account to start using PayPal. They'll send an email into your email inbox. So all you need to do is you head on to the email inbox and then you click there. But for now, let's just click next so that we see what they will bring up there. So you hit let's go. Come on. Okay, so here you provide other necessary pieces of information, and here they say which best describes you. Is it an individual seller, sole proprietor, or something? So you go by what best describes you. Then you will see other parts that you need to fill in. Just swipe up and then you provide in all the pieces of information that you have to punch in. Then you need to submit that information. Just hit next. And when you get here, you need to tell them about the business that you run. So just follow through the instructions. Just read what is there, and then you provide the appropriate answers to the questions. And then when you're done, you swipe up and then submit the information. Okay, so after everything, you'll see a congratulatory message. But there's one more thing that you have to do. When you receive this, you need to visit your email inbox so that now you activate your account. Okay, let's head on to the email inbox. Okay, so here we are. You have to click the email that was sent by PayPal. Swipe up and then you hit the bluish tab, and you'll be logged on to your PayPal account. Thereafter, you will do the final touches. This is how simple it is when it comes to setting up PayPal account. Just log in, and here we are in.